from DoneRight Management. We are in the master bedroom over at the Angus Lakefront Adventures Vacation Rental. This specific television is hooked up to a DVD player, and that is it. So there's a selection of DVDs that are right here on these side doors. So DVDs, plenty to watch. Now, to power this on, right here is a little button underneath the television. All you got to do is turn it on from there. It'll actually turn the television on. Everything's set up. And you've got the power for the DVD player. Here's the remote control. And that would be it. So all you got to do is hit play. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us. The number is 208-634-0030. And hope you're having a great time while you're here in Donnelly, right on the water. Fantastic place.